The Stamparatus is definitely an advantage in doing reflection stamping like this. Here's our first bunny. When I stamp him, the image is going to be facing that way. And the concept is that I need something non-porous to hold that ink while I reverse the paper. So this is for a left-right reflection. That non-porous surface that I'm going to use is going to be my silicone craft mat. So I'll let you watch the process as it happens here. I've already run a test sample and decided about where I wanted the things to end up being. And I've got a marker for myself, and I like the Stamparatus because it comes with this handy magnet to hold things in place. All right, so first thing, you can't see me doing this off screen, but what I'm doing is I'm inking up my rabbit. We'll just transfer the ink onto this project paper. Now, what I'm going to need to do is have the ink go from the ink pad to the stamp, from the stamp to something that's going to hold it facing that direction, and then put my paper down so that the ink will face the other direction. Super simple. Here we go. I put my non-surface pad down, ink this up real quickly off camera, bring it back, and transfer the ink to that non-porous surface. And I want to make sure I have a lot of ink, so I'm going to do this 2 or 3 times just to get a big buildup of ink on here. Okay, and then here's my paper with the bunny facing that way. If I reverse my paper, the bunny will now face the other way, and this is my marker for where to place the paper. I suppose I could have taken the magnet out so things lay flat. And I like having it up against this wall. That helps. And my line. I can transfer the ink just by rubbing. And you're going to see that that ink has already been transferred. The other thing I can do is to bring the stamp back, because the lines, of course, are where the ink is. And so that will also help with the transfer. And there we go. For this card, we talked about horizontal reflection. Here's an example of a vertical reflection. And the process is pretty much the same, just got one extra step to it. So when you take the card and you stamp your rabbit, not only do you have to turn it this way, but you also have to turn it this way. I'll show you. Once again, there's my rabbit. So let me ink my stamp. I'm placing the rabbit here's my non-porous surface to hold the ink, and I'm going to ink that non-porous surface. Not only do I turn the paper reflection, but also upside down. And there you are. Now I'm going to show an even easier way. Do that reflection first. And then it's a matter of just bringing in the rabbit and putting it on top. So thank you for watching. If you appreciated these, if you found something useful, I would appreciate knowing that with a thumbs up or some comments. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. And if you'd like to receive notification when additional videos like this are posted, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching on Facebook, please make sure that you like and follow the page, and then you'll get notifications when I post more videos. Thank you very much. This is Stamp Lady Katie, and if you would like to be part of a community of stampers who share projects like this, please join our Incredible Crafters group. Thank you. Bye.